In this video, I'm going to tell you how one Facebook post led me to break through a brick wall in my family history, so stick around. So have you ever had a family history mystery that just wouldn't budge? We call these brick walls in genealogy, and I had a big, strong brick wall in my family tree. For years, I couldn't find any records in Germany for my great-great-grandfather or his wife's family. Now, my dad had always told me that we were German and French, so that's where I was searching for the records. I thought I had exhausted all records and just assumed that this family had left no paper trail. It happens. I'd been digging through census records and old documents trying to find anything about my great-great-grandfather and his family. The only clue that I had was that they lived in Albany, New York. Every search that I did just led me to more questions than answers. So I took a break from researching. I thought I had gone as far as I could with this family. So let's fast forward about a year later. I was surfing on Facebook when I came across a Facebook group about old St. Paul, Minnesota history. Now, I love history, and my family has been in St. Paul since 1884. In this Facebook group, they were posting old historical photos of people and buildings, and the stories were wonderful to read. So I decided to post a picture of my great-grandfather's saloon that he owned in St. Paul. It was in this beautiful old building. Within hours, I got a comment from someone I'd never met. He said that his family had that same picture in their collection, and he thought somehow we might be cousins, distant but somehow connected to that saloon. So he connected me with his father, their family historian. I called him, and we had an instant connection. We talked for hours. He had names, dates, places, and he talked about, my family's journey to Minnesota. He told me stories about my family that I had never heard of. I told him all about the trouble I was having in finding records in Germany for my great-great-grandfather and his family. And then he said the sentence that made my jaw drop. This family is not from Germany, they're from Luxembourg. I was flabbergasted. That one shift from Germany to Luxembourg changed how I searched. I went back into family search and ancestry, this time with corrected origins and surnames, and suddenly the records started lining up. The church records made sense, the immigration dates matched, and I also found my great-great-grandmother's maiden name. And with that, I added an entire new branch to my family tree, all because I posted a single photograph online. So what's the lesson here? Sometimes the answers aren't in a dusty archive or a subscription site. They're in the memories and photos of other people, Facebook groups, local history pages, and online communities that can be powerful tools for breaking through brick walls. In my next video, I'll share my favorite free online tools, the same ones that I used after this discovery to add dozens of new ancestors to my family tree. I hope you'll check it out. And if you're stuck on a brick wall, post your clue in the comments, even if you think it's just tiny. Someone out there might have the matching piece. And if you've ever broken through a family mystery, I'd love to hear your story in the comments. And don't forget to download my free Genealogy Tools cheat sheet. The link is in the description. It includes the exact resources I use. And if you enjoyed this story, hit the like button and subscribe. I want to build a community of like-minded family history buffs where we can share our successes and help others build their family trees. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.